I will never fail to make these buttery and delicious Nutella Tarts every year. These make perfect gifts and they are also a really nice and indulgent snack. First, you want to cream together your butter, sugar and to whisk in your egg. And then to add in your vanilla, you can also use milk powder here, it's optional, and to fold in your flour. Once you are done, I'm going to form a ball of dough and then to just place my Nutella in the fridge to harden it a little for piping. Next, I'm just going to flour a surface and to roll out my dough. If your dough is too soft, feel free to set it in the fridge for a while. After I'm done rolling out even consistency here, I'm going to flour the surface and my mold again. And this will definitely make shaping way easier and less sticky. So here I go and I'm going to form the sunflower shapes of these Nutella tarts. For leftover dough, repeat the same step. Then I'm going to do my first bake to bake it at 160 degrees, 12 to 14 minutes. Once it's slightly cooled, I'm going to pipe my Nutella on it. I'm going to go for my second bake at 140 degrees. So this is to set and harden the Nutella. So here you can see that the Nutella is nicely hardened and the shape is well retained as well. These Nutella tarts are now ready to be packed and to share. If you're even sharing them, you'll love them.